Hello, my name is Julian Busch from MPR Korea Certification. Do you want to export pressure equipment to South Korea? Then your products might require a KGS factory approval. KGS stands for Korea Gas Safety Corporation and refers to the authority responsible for the approval process. After going through the certification process, the factory approval is issued by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. The KGS factory approval allows you to export certain pressure equipment. Important product categories include, for example, pressure vessels, safety valves and heat exchangers. The application process can be divided into 3 steps. The application at KGS and technical review of the documentation, the factory audit by the Korean authority lasting several days, and the application for factory approval to the ministry based on the technical review and the factory audit report. Before applying, you can decide for which and how many product categories to seek approval. A factory approval can be based on international regulations such as ASME or PED, which are then also documented on the approval. The length of the multi-day factory audit is also determined by the number of product categories and international standards for which an application is made. The factory registration is valid for 3 years and follow-up audits are required to extend the validity for another 3 years at a time. For certain pressure vessels and safety valves, a KCS certification may be required in addition to KGS factory registration. The factory approval is the first step and the prerequisite for the KCS certification. If you want to learn more about the KCS certification, you can watch my video about the KCS certification in our video channel. For further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for your interest.